Greater Antilles archipelago in the West Indies is home to some of its largest islands: Cuba, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, Navassa Island, and the Cayman Islands. Hispaniola is the most populous island in the West Indies, and the second largest by area, behind only the island of Cuba. Haiti occupies the western 3/8 of the island. The rest is taken up by the Dominican Republic on the east. Haiti's closest neighbor to the west is Jamaica, which lies on the island of, you guessed it, Jamaica. The Jamaican island follows the Hispaniola in size, becoming the third largest of the Greater Antilles and the Caribbean. It is also the third most populous Anglophone country in the Americas, with a population of 2.8 million people. So what are the similarities between these two regions? What are the differences? How have they developed economically, financially, and politically? Let's get into it. To most people, the Caribbean is nothing but a tourist spot. What more to say about